2 p.m. at O'Hare Airport, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 49 degrees. The dew point was 20. And the relative humidity was 31%. The wind was southwest at 33 miles an hour, gusting to 47. The pressure was 29.81 inches and falling. Elsewhere around the region, it was 47 at Chicago's lakefront. It was sunny, with a temperature of 51 at Joliet, 47 at Aurora, 51 at Moline, 52 at Bloomington, and 52 at Kankakee. It was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 52 at Midway, and 55 at Springfield. It was partly sunny, with a temperature of 47 at Waukegan, and 48 at Rockford. Once again, at O'Hare it was 49, under mostly sunny skies. Here is the forecast for the Chicago metropolitan area. High wind warning.